How to download CapCut for desktop. So if you want to download CapCut for your desktop, then what you need to do is first you just need to go with your Microsoft Store. If you're using Windows, you can go with your Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store and go with the search, which is on the upper side, and you need to search for CapCut. Once you search for CapCut, here you will have the CapCut application for free, right? So you just need to simply click on CapCut, and here you will have an option of install on the left side. So for now, I have already installed the application. So if you want to get and install the application or download the application, you just need to simply click on install, or you will have an option of get. So click on get, and it will take some time to download or install the application. So just wait for some time till it downloads and you'll be ready to use it. So once it says installed, then you can go with your search and search for CapCut, and here you will have your CapCut application. So that's how you can download and install CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.